Hello guys, I'm going to teach you how the safest way to remove a Samsung battery from a Samsung phone. We're going to be using the dental floss technique, so you just need some floss. Uh, get like a toothpick or like a pointy object or like a small flathead or something like that. And then you might need some alcohol or a heat gun if the battery gets too hard to remove. So I see all these people taking apart their batteries and then they're bending it and destroying it in the process. So what we're gonna do is first let's take out the plastic. Okay, remove the battery connection. And so this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna get some floss. My kind has like this little powdery stuff. So I'm gonna remove it by just pinching and pulling the floss. So it doesn't get everywhere. And then we're going to get our pointing object. And we're going to position the dental floss inside the hole right here. And also right here. So place your dental floss and then use the pointing object to push it in. Might be a bit finicky, but try to get it in there. And try to get it underneath the plastic and underneath the battery. So it has a place to grab onto. See? You can see by the floss is going this way. We're still on the other side. Okay, I think it's in. At this point, if you want to, you could put some alcohol to loosen up the adhesive or put some heat gun or heat on the top or bottom. But I'm just going to do it without. So twist it on your fingers. And you're going to want to support the bottom of the phone while you're trying to pull the string through. So let me start flossing it down, and it's getting pretty easy. Just keep on flossing it. When you get near the end, be careful with the charging port or else you might remove it accidentally. Just keep on doing it. See, it's pretty easy. You don't even need anything. Go to the end and there. Now the battery is out. Without using any prying tools, which may be dangerous and it might make the battery explode or something. And there you go.